Deep inside, do you know you have a powerful story to tell? A story that can impact lives, that can bring healing, that can let people know they're not alone, and ultimately point people to God in a beautiful way. And yet, have you been putting it off for all different types of reasons? Feeling like you're not sure how to express it in a way that truly has that impact and brings it together in a way that deeply connects with the reader. Or maybe you're even just emotional and afraid about facing that journey and walking through those memories. Maybe you're struggling, wondering, am I really adequate enough to do this? I'm Caitlin Silva, and I work with Christian mompreneurs just like you and help them get clarity on their book idea, confidently write and publish a best-selling book and use it as a business tool so they can create impact, authority, and legacy with their book. I want to share with you that I have personally walked through significant life challenges, and that has allowed me to have unique insight and understanding for other people's experiences and circumstances. And I'm not afraid to get in there and walk through that journey with you. Today, I want to talk about what to expect when you're actually writing your story so that you can be a little bit more equipped and prepared and actually dive in and start making this a reality. Yes, it will be an emotional journey. It's going to be a roller coaster. It's not always going to be straightforward and simple and easy, and I am not here to sugarcoat it with you. What this looks like is bearing your heart for the world to see and being vulnerable, but in the most incredible way. What to expect is yes, challenges, yes, tears, yes, emotions, yes, the roller coaster. But what you can also expect is a very transformational, healing, and beautiful experience, especially when you have the right guidance and the right support through the journey. When you go through this, you'll find that you have become who you are today because of those life experiences. You start to have a deeper understanding of what you went through and how that impacted your life and the lives of people around you as well, your loved ones, or even close friends or other people that you might not even realize had a ripple effect in their lives in a positive way. So I want to encourage you, it's absolutely worth it. And who you become as a result of writing that story and sharing it with the world is someone that steps into that place of being healed and glorifying God and seeing things from a new perspective. And it's almost like going through the process of being in a cocoon and emerging this beautiful butterfly that can then illuminate the world with its wings. And I would love for you to have that experience. Because of the things that I've been through, I am not afraid to walk through that journey with you and to help pull that story out as necessary, to walk with you through the trenches and be alongside you through the tears and the joy and the roller coaster and the celebration and accomplishments when you finally do reach the end and then go on to share it with the world. And it would be my greatest honor to walk alongside you in that journey and help you tell your story in a way that truly does have that impact and is a product that is a masterpiece that you're confident about and that you can't wait to share with other people. What I would like to offer you is a complimentary bestseller assessment where we'll talk about your book. We'll get clarity on the way to go about writing your story, and we'll craft your personalized roadmap to give you a step-by-step to go from where you are right now to the end and of course beyond with publishing. If you'd like to take advantage of that and talk a little bit more one-to-one with me about your journey and finally achieving that dream with your book and having that impact, click the link below. And remember, your book can change a life.